Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Open Settings and turn on Location or Location Services for your device. Find App Permissions and choose Google Maps from the list. Give Google Maps permission to access location while using the app. If you want continuous accuracy, set location mode to high accuracy. High accuracy uses GPS, Wi-Fi, and mobile networks for best results. Restart the app if location still does not appear. Confirm airplane mode is off and Wi-Fi or mobile data is enabled. Open the Google Maps app and look for the blue dot that shows your position. Tap the blue dot to see accuracy radius and reported coordinates on the screen. If the blue dot is missing, press the Locate button in the lower right corner. Drop a pin by long pressing on any map point to get an exact location and address. Use Share to send coordinates or Save to add the location to lists for later reference. On a computer, open Maps. Google, com in Chrome, Firefox, or Edge. Click the Locate button in the lower right to request your browser location. Allow the browser to share your location when prompted for accurate results. If location is off, update browser permissions in Settings or Preferences. To get coordinates, right-click a map spot and choose What's Here from the menu. You will see latitude and longitude displayed and a small info card with the address.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.